Got a faucet handle that won't stop wobbling? Here's how to fix that loose handle situation so it doesn't drive you nuts. First off, grab a screwdriver and check the screws right under the handle. Sometimes they just get loose from all the twisting, you know? If those screws look rusty or stripped, swap them out with new ones that fit snug. Next, if tightening doesn't cut it, pop off the handle and peek inside for any worn out parts like washers or cartridges. These little guys can wear down and cause that wiggle. When you find old or cracked washers, replace them with exact matches from your local hardware store. Also, don't forget to turn off the water supply before messing around under the sink. That's a rookie mistake that leads to big messes. If your faucet handle uses a set screw on the side, make sure it's tight too, because sometimes it's easy to miss that one. After putting everything back together, test the handle for tightness and smooth movement. No more annoying looseness. And if all else fails, consider replacing the whole handle assembly. Sometimes it just gets too old for quick fixes. One of the biggest problems with fixing a loose faucet handle is not turning off the water supply first, which can flood your bathroom or kitchen, so always double check that valve is off. Another common issue is using the wrong screwdriver or screws that don't match, causing stripped heads or weak holds. Grab the right tools and parts to avoid this headache. The third mistake is forgetting to check internal components like washers or cartridges, which wear down over time and lead to loose handles. Replacing these parts usually solves the problem fast. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking for trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Contractors benefit too because it connects them with serious clients ready to start their next home repair or upgrade.